I'm up for that. Let's go.
Yeah, should we do that? Yeah, A map, but that gets kind of
I
boring.
had 2 people message me saying CSGO, go A. I'm like, ah, shit.
I get that, but just people asking for a carry.
Well. See, it's like the only game so much better competitive wise for CSGO is
I
Duck
can do
Game.
fucking short ones.
Competitive duck game.
Duck Game is needs so much more skill than Counter Strike.
Oh my god. Alex, launch the bloody game.
No, join my lobby, you
Oh wait, join Ben.
How did I get into your lobby when I actually never clicked it?
Because that kind of person.
That's terrifying. I clicked launch on CSGO and it automatically accepted me into Ollie's game when he invited me.
Gina's already fucking level 5. We just need to get Nathan to level 2 and we're good. We can do it. Oh my fucking god.
Alex.
Oh my god, Alex.
Oh my god, why?
Alex, fix your mic right now.
Oh my god. What the fuck have you done?
We really are playing CSGO.